Readying GNC systems. Re-readying engines.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Lift off.
Beginning picture.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
As the crow flies has left the nest and we have liftoff. The forces against the rocket are increasing as Electron travels through the Earth's atmosphere. Soon we'll approach the point where forces are at their strongest, otherwise known as max Q or maximum aerodynamic pressure. So let's check in on Electron's
HP battery discharge is nominal.
Electron is supersonic. Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
As you just heard from our GNC operator, we are now past max Q and on the way to our destination, more than 1,000 kilometers above the Earth.
Guidance is nominal. Altitude is 30 kilometers. Speed 1 kilometer per second.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Prepare for main engine cutoff.
Soon Electron's first and second stages will separate. First, the 9 Rutherford engines on stage 1 will shut off, a process known as MECO, and then the first stage will be jettisoned, which frees the way for the second stage to continue onto orbit. We should hear confirmation of this separation shortly.
Entering burnout detect mode.
10 seconds till staging.
Stage 1 MECO.
Stage set succeeded.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
AOS at Chatham Station.
Main engine cutoff has been confirmed and Electron's first and second stages have successfully separated. Next up, the fairing will be jettisoned from the kick stage. Let's listen in.
Fairing separation succeeded.
And we've had confirmation that the fairing have separated. We're 3 minutes and
Stage
10
2
seconds into
propulsion
this
is
mission now
nominal.
and on track for payload deployment at our final destination. If you're just joining us for the webcast of Electron's As the Crow Flies mission, we've had successful main engine cutoff, stage separation, and stage 2 ignition. Propulsion is nominal and the Crow is flying straight and true for today's mission so far.
Guidance is nominal. Altitude 220 kilometers.
3 seconds
Speed
into flight.
2.7
Electron
kilometers per
is
second.
looking great as we continue onto orbit.
Stage 2 HV battery charge is nominal.
Stage 2 propulsion is nominal.
Electron is looking healthy with a velocity of 1,100 kilometers per hour and an altitude of 295 kilometers ahead of battery hot swap. Those of you who are seasoned Rocket Lab launch webcast veterans will know about this next step, but if you're new around here, one of the unique things about our Rutherford engine is that its fuel is fed by electric pumps. We're coming up to the point in the flight where the batteries powering those electric pumps are fully drained, so we do what we call a battery hot swap. We swap power from the 2 depleted batteries to a third fully charged battery, and then jettison the depleted batteries to provide a much more efficient ride to orbit. Let's listen in on that step now.
HV battery discharge is nominal, approaching hot swap in roughly 30 seconds. Hot swap successful.
Battery charge is successful.
Stage.
There it is. We have had successful battery hot swap. Electron's trajectory continues to look nominal as we hit 7 minutes and 5 seconds into this mission. Quick update for As the Crow Flies. Electron is on its way to orbit, and we have approximately 1 minute and 45 seconds until second engine cutoff.
Stage 2 high voltage battery discharge holding nominal.
We're about 1 minute away from kick stage separation, and Electron is continuing nominally.
Entering stage 2 burnout detect mode.
Another update from Rocket Lab Mission Control. Electron continues nominally on its mission with a current velocity of nearly 25,000 kilometers per hour and an altitude of 437 kilometers. We should have confirmation of second engine cutoff shortly.
Guidance is terminal. Vehicle is in transfer orbit.
C2 confirmed.
Great news from our launch operators at Mission Control. Electron's second stage Rutherford engine has shut down as planned. The final destination for As the Crow Flies is some 1,000 odd kilometers above the Earth, which is much farther than we've ever flown before. For that reason, we'll be ending today's webcast shortly with our payload deployment scheduled to take place in the coming hours. Stay close to Rocket Lab's Twitter and Facebook accounts for updates.